In this video, I'll be showing you how to refresh your contact on WhatsApp. So this is for Android users. So you just have to move to your contact and then you refresh it. So now let's tap on the button we see here under the Meta AI button. That's our bottom right on top of the course. So we tap on that there. That's where you're going to see our contact. Good. So this is our contact. So what you're going to do is you tap on the three dots. For Android, you tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You see refresh here, just tap on the refresh and you see the button load on top. Good. So if you just added a contact on your mobile phone, if the person is on WhatsApp, it should reflect here. So you can add the person to the new contact. If after refreshing you're not trying to find it, there's an additional something to the video, you just tap on new contact. Good. You can enter the person's name, the username if you're trying to search for the username or something, and also their phone number, and you're good to go. You can even save the username and search and see whether it's going to appear in the refresh. So that's it on how to refresh your contact on WhatsApp. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.